Hello and welcome to Goke's Kitchen. Today on Goke's Kitchen I'll be making something sumptuously and deliciously good, like we always do. Today I'll be making soup. And what kind of soup? Well, it's going to be a beef soup. I'll be making a beef soup and the steps are very simple and straightforward. Nothing extraordinary. So, let's get right to it. First thing is you put a pot on the stove. You add the olive oil to it. If you have olive spray, great, but if you don't, a regular oil or a cooking oil of any kind will definitely get the job done. And now to the preps. Dice the beef. Chop the onions, the tomatoes, a red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. Whenever I hear bell or say bell pepper, I actually always remember the real bell itself, you know. The carrots, garlic, potatoes, potato, just dice the potatoes. Now that all the ingredients are ready, let the cooking begin. Turn on the stove and put the beef in the pot. Spread it out and add the garlic to it. Add the onions. You want to go ahead and mix everything together and then add a little salt to it, as well as the seasoning bouillon. All the salt is in it and the bouillon, so we will mix everything together. It's very necessary. Mix everything together and let it boil for a few minutes. And then take the beef out and set it aside. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and put the carrot in the pot, then add the potatoes to it, add the red bell pepper, the yellow bell pepper, and mix everything together. Then add the tomatoes. Now that everything is in the pot, we will add a spicy red powdered pepper to it, or you can use the black pepper as well if you want, just to add a little spice to it. There's actually a saying that goes that a soul that does not eat spice is, yeah. Now add water to it and mix everything together. Put the lid on it and let it cook for a few minutes, because you want the potato and everything to be properly done. After a few minutes, you want to open it and add the beef to it and let everything simmer. And that's about it. Absolutely. It looks wonderful and it tastes delicious as well. Well, or you can either eat it as a standalone soup or you can add rice to it if you want. Beef soup, there you have it. Give it a try and I'm very sure that you will not be disappointed. And one more thing. Don't forget to support the movement. Subscribe! And I'll see you next time. Happy cooking!